Zara Tindall will mark a very special celebration with her husband Mike Tindall, ahead of opening the gates to their private estate. The royal and the former rugby professional will celebrate their 12th wedding anniversary on Sunday, July 30th. The couple, who are often known for their PDA-filled displays, tied the knot in Edinburgh in 2011. Zara, Mike and their 3 children currently reside at a property on the royal estate Gatcombe Park in Gloucestershire. The residence is set to hold a special event next month, with Zara confirmed to attend. Meghan's return to acting would be a step down as it is not her passion. The Magic Millions Festival of British Eventing will take place at Gatcombe Park between August 4th and 6th. As well as being a long-standing patron, Zara's father and brother are also tied to the event. Her father, Captain Mark Phillips, is the course director for the festival, and brother Peter Phillips is the event director. As well as being in attendance at the festival, Mike and Zara will also be taking part in a speaking event at the event's live lounge on August 6th. Kate makes secret solo trips and has key hack to make sure she's not recognized. The couple's 3 children, Mia, 9, Lena, 5, and 2-year-old Lucas, have also all been spotted in attendance during previous years. Zara and Mike, who are currently enjoying the school summer holidays with their children, got married at Canongate Kirk. Witnessing the couple exchange vows were the likes of Princess Anne and Captain Mark Phillips, the then Prince Charles and Camilla, the now Prince and Princess of Wales and Prince Harry. Wearing an ivory silk dress, designed by Stuart Parvin, Zara stunned royal fans. Her stunning attire was complete with the meander tiara, which was previously worn by Princess Anne. Don't miss: Harry and Meghan pass grim 1,000-day milestone with Netflix empire crumbling. Live, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's beloved daughter has her very own Lilyland. Details: Prince Harry's court case dealt fatal blow despite judge giving him go-ahead. Exclusive: the couple's love story began in 2003, when they met during their Rugby World Cup winning campaign in Australia. 7 years later, in 2010, Mike proposed with a beautiful diamond and platinum ring. The couple welcomed their first child, a daughter named Mia, in January 2014. They also welcomed a second daughter named Lena in June 2018, followed by their son Lucas in March 2021.